Welcome to our review of the TITA Ultra Organic Light Emitting Diode Screen Speedometer with wireless charger, a premium dashboard heads-up display designed specifically for the Tesla Model Y and Model 3 from the years 2021 to 2025. This sleek and modern upgrade is built to seamlessly integrate with your Tesla's interior, offering a crystal-clear organic light-emitting diode display that enhances your driving experience by providing real-time performance data in a clean and unobstructed view. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, the TITA Ultra dashboard is both durable and stylish. Its minimalist design complements the futuristic aesthetic of your Tesla, while adding functionality and convenience. One of the standout features is the built-in wireless charger, allowing you to charge your smartphone effortlessly while keeping your dashboard clutter-free. No more tangled cables or low battery anxiety during long drives. The TITA Pro technology ensures accurate and real-time data display, including speed, battery status, and other essential vehicle metrics. This heads-up display helps you stay informed without taking your eyes off the road. Installation is simple and wireless, but there's one important note. Before installing the bracket, make sure to thoroughly clean the installation area and wait 24 hours after installation before using the device. This ensures a secure and long-lasting fit. Please note, this product is only compatible with Tesla Model Y and Model 3 from 2021 to 2025. It is not compatible with earlier models from 2019 or 2020. If you're looking to upgrade your Tesla with a high-tech, stylish, and functional dashboard display, the TITA Ultra Organic Light Emitting Diode Speedometer is a top-tier choice. Check the link in the description for more details, installation instructions, and current pricing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Tesla tech reviews and accessories.